Apple relaunched the iPhone SE 2020 with the current A13 Bionic chipset. We were expecting to get iPhone 11 Pro performance at a far more affordable price. The recent reviews online has praised the performance, but now the phone is on Antutu, and has revealed a score of below 500,000, which is well off the performance of the 2019 iPhones. Looking at the result breakdown of the iPhone SE 2020, the CPU and GPU performance is closer to the iPhone XS family that are powered by an A13 Bionic chip. Memory speed is the only thing pushing the 256GB iPhone SE way ahead of the XS family, with the result of 77,968, which is in line with the iPhone 11 Trio. On paper, the iPhone SE 2020 appeared to be a combination between the iPhone 8 body, iPhone XR camera, and iPhone 11 Pro chipset. Sadly, the last bit comes with an important disclaimer, as the SoC was clearly underclocked to maintain decent battery life. Even so, the performance is better than any other phone costing $399. Particularly when it comes to graphics, where the low screen resolution is bound to produce unmatched frame rates.